How affiliate marketing can enable you to work from home. Most of us are incredibly comfortable in our own homes. It is where all of our comforts are kept. Part of the daily grind of a job is having to leave the home. The task is much more difficult if you have children to consider. Many of us would love to be able to work from home. We are more comfortable and can be much more productive. However, very few regular jobs offer this type of flexibility. They want employees on site where they can be watched and monitored. If you would like to make a living working from home, the affiliate marketing business could be the answer. If you have a computer with internet access, there is no reason your home office cannot become your new home business. Affiliate marketing means that you work on behalf of another company. You helping to expand a company that already exists. This provides you with several advantages. First, you're marketing brands or products that are already on the market. You don't have to create new product and present it to the public. If the brands are fairly well known, then attracting customers should not be too difficult. It is much easier to sell something that has an established reputation than break in with something new. Second, the advertising of the product will already be taken care of. The main corporation will have some suggestions and equipment available to help advertise the product or product line. This can include pamphlets, catalogs, or posters. They will also make samples available at no cost to you. This minimizes your investment, so the risk is nothing. You just need to concentrate on selling the product and maximizing your earnings. Third, affiliate marketing can be done in the comfort of your own home. As long as you have adequate storage space for company product, there is no reason you cannot set up shop in the comfort of your own home. You can put as much or as little into the venture as you like. You paid according to how well you perform. If you have an off month, it is reflected in your commission. You don't have to worry about a boss coming down on you. How much you do is entirely up to you. Finally, running this business venture from your home presents very little risk for you. You have the perfect location and you don't need to invest any of your own money. You're also not subject to work or sales targets to break even. What you produce is what you are paid for. Running an affiliate marketing business is hard work. You'll want to make the most of your skills and talents, and that means working some very long days. Don't be fooled by affiliate marketing companies that promise the world for very little effort. You'll have to work very hard promoting the products that you decide to sell. However, if you are willing to work hard and use all of your abilities, there is no reason why your affiliate marketing home business cannot be a huge success. If you want to work from home, then an affiliate marketing scheme is the perfect way. With minimal risk to you, you will be able to employ your skills to your own benefit. You'll have to work very hard, but there is everything to gain and very little to lose.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.